Planning to appear for India's premier design entrance examination? Then stay with me because in the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the complete step-by-step process for CEED 2026 registration, including key dates, eligibility, fees, documents, and important tips. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the important dates. Registration opens on October 1, 2025. The regular deadline is October 31, 2025. Missed it? Don't worry. A late registration window will open in November 2025, but with an extra fee. Finally, mark your calendars. The exam date is January 18, 2026. Now, who can register? If you've completed or are appearing for a 3-year graduate, diploma, or postgraduate program by July 2026, you are eligible. Special note: GDART's diploma holders at the 10+5 level can also apply. There is no age limit and you can attempt the exam unlimited times. Step 1 is creating your account. Visit the official website ceed.iitb.ac.in and click on Register. Enter your valid email and mobile number and verify them through OTP. Remember, accuracy here is critical because this login will be your primary access throughout the process. Step 2 is filling the application form. Provide your full name, date of birth, gender, and contact details. Enter your academic qualifications, year of passing or appearing, and institution details. Upload required documents including certificates if applicable. Any error here may cause rejection or future complications, so double check before submitting. Step 3 is payment of fees. For general and OBC candidates, the fee is 4,000 rupees. For female, SC, ST and PWD candidates, it is 2,000 rupees. Payments can be made through credit card, debit card or net banking. Please note, all fees are non-refundable and non-transferable. Before starting, keep these documents ready. 1. A valid photo ID like Aadhaar card or passport. 2. A recent passport size photograph. 3. Category certificate if applicable. 4. Scribe declaration form if you need special assistance. Having these ready will save you time and avoid last-minute stress. A few important tips. Double-check all details before submitting. Use a stable internet connection to avoid timeouts. And finally, save your confirmation page, fee receipt and login details safely. These will be crucial later. If you miss the October deadline, you can still register during the November late period but with a penalty fee. After that, no registrations will be accepted. So the safest approach is to register early and avoid unnecessary stress. So, are you ready to take the next step? Bookmark the official website, prepare your documents in advance, and complete your registration as soon as the window opens on October 1, 2025. Register early, stay confident, and secure your chance at CEED 2026. Thank you for watching and all the best for your preparation.